guys, Shraddha here. So today I will be discussing about Quora marketing, where I will be dictating a set of questions which you can ask from your Quora partner program account. And yes, I would suggest you, if you are not a part of QPP, then just try to avoid these questions. Instead, just watch my starting 3 videos and do something which help you to get into QPP. Okay, because if you are not a part of QPP, then you can't make money out of Quora. And yes, but yes, meanwhile you are preparing to get into QPP, you can create your spaces, you can start sharing posts based on your relevant name of space, and you just set your frequency. You can put posts on daily basis, and you can start like getting a good number of audience for that space, because we can also earn from space on Quora. But yes, this is the fact that we can't make a lot of money from spaces, because if you have completed around 1 lakh to 2 lakh views on your space, so Quora will be charging only $1 to $2. That is, $1 is hardly 73 to 74 rupees, which is nothing for us. Okay, so if you want to make a good amount of money, so I would suggest you to start writing on Quora, start hitting the 5k to 10k views on Quora. And once you are getting invite from Quora, just accept it and get into QPP. Then you just return to this video and just start asking these questions. Okay, so today I will be sharing 5 questions. Okay, but if you listen this question clearly and with great attention, I am very sure that you can make around 10 to 15 question out of these 5 questions. Okay, so I am going to dictate these questions. First one is, which are the countries helping India during second wave of COVID-19? As we are getting messages, and we are watching videos from different social medias, कि this country came forward to help India, Saudi Arabia, and then China. Like this, ये क्या अभी latest news है. So if you are asking this question on Quora, people are also watching this kind of news, so they will just come in front, like without thinking too much. They will just come and start replying for this answer, because होता ना कि अगर अपने पास कोई मतलब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, अगर अपने को उसकी नॉलेज है, तो वी कांट जस्ट रेजिस्ट टू लाइक आंसरिंग फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन. सो obviously they will be answering over the question. Okay, so जैसे मैंने एक क्वेश्चन बना, which are the countries helping India during second wave of COVID-19. Yeah, now you can use your brain and you can twist this question a bit creatively, and you can ask around 3 to 4 question out of this single question. That is, first one, which are the countries. Second one, first one was, which are the countries helping India during second wave of COVID-19. Second one is, which are the countries helping India by supplying cylinders, oxygen cylinders. Now you can twist questions a bit in such a manner that it looks like it's completely a different question. So people will come forward and they'll reply for the question. Second one is, how cruel is our government towards, how cruel or how harsh, whatever word you can use, is our government towards people who are suffering from COVID and paying high bills. As again we are reading like messages, and we are watching videos like किसी कोई 4 किलोमीटर to 5 किलोमीटर के लिए एम्बुलेंस किसी ने बुक करी, उसका 10,000 to 20,000 पे कर रहा है. So this question will again hit another set of audience, so you can ask this question also. Third one is, what is something that you read about COVID-19 that make you feel happy. ऐसा आपने क्या पढ़ा था आज या कुछ दिन पहले जो आपके चेहरे पे एक स्माइल लाता है. मतलब कोविड-19 के टाइम पे वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग ऑल नेगेटिव रिप्लाईज और नेगेटिव न्यूज़. एवरीथिंग इज नेगेटिव, सो नेगेटिव एक्चुअली. बट just counted messages which are positive that has been like circulated to us. So what are some of these like positive messages? So you can share one message here. If you are asking this question, people will be willing to like reply for this question, as they are also getting some good news on daily basis. Like if I talk about someone from Nagpur who sacrificed his own COVID bed for someone else, because he said that I have lived my life, so this man has his family behind to look after, so it would be good if I like leave my bed to him. So such kind of positive news हम डेली पढ़ रहे हैं. अगर इस टाइम पे आप पूछते हो, so people will come forward to reply for your question. Fourth one is, why are colleges asking for high fees even they are shut during COVID-19? Okay, so मैं भी MBA कर रही हूँ. There would be a lot of people or students who are pursuing some different courses from colleges, but we are getting mails or messages or notifications like you have to pay your money, or there would be a set of people who have some difficulties in their families बिकॉज कोविड चल रहा है. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है किसी की फैमिली में कोई कोविड से मतलब कोविड की प्रॉब्लम हो किसी को, बट कॉलेजेस वोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो मतलब अगर आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हो तो विच विल अगेन टारगेट सम अदर सेट ऑफ पीपल. दैट इज, जब आप पहले पूछ रहे थे कंट्रीज वाला क्वेश्चन तो वो एजेड से लेके स्टूडेंट्स हुआ, एक कंट्री का दूसरा, मतलब ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड टारगेट कर रहे थे. अब जब आपने कॉलेजेस वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा तो आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं एक सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स को. दो सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इन कॉलेज, हु आर परसुइंग सम कोर्सेज एंड they are also going through the same, like asking for money, getting such notification and all these things. Last one is, what's something horrible that happened with you during your train journey? You can also add during your train journey amidst COVID-19. मतलब इसके बीच में ऐसा क्या, कौन सी आपने जर्नी तय करी जिसमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ, मतलब कुछ हॉरिबल टाइप का हो गया. नाउ you can again twist this question in different ways. Like I said that, what's something horrible that happened with you during journey? If I am saying journey, then journey can be of various types, like maybe you are traveling through train, maybe you are traveling through plane or bus, or your Ola journey, your Uber. So you can again twist that question in different manners and just try to put COVID-19 after most of your questions, whatever you are asking. Okay, at least for these 1 month, because COVID-19, this keyword has a great impact to audience. Okay, if you are putting this, using this keyword, then you can target a good amount of audience. Now इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट करियर ऑप्शन, सो मैंने जैसा आपको बताया मुझे रोज़ मैसेजेस मिल रहे हैं कि मैंने अपना करियर स्विच कैसे किया. चलो मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ. लाइक या आई completed my engineering from Jabalpur Engineering College, but when I completed my engineering, I realized that I am not at all good into coding. I am not that person who can sit in front of a laptop and doing coding for 18 to 20 hours and getting 15 to 20,000 money. I am not at all that kind of person. I realized it at like मैंने ये सब जो भी प्रॉब्लम थी मैंने बहुत जल्दी रियलाइज़ कर लिया. And also that was the time where I need to struggle a lot all alone. There was no one with me to help in this, like to get myself out from that scenario, from some to help me putting in some other profession. क्योंकि अगर मैं अपनी फैमिली को बोलती हूँ तो they will be like, then why did you waste your time in engineering? And nevertheless I am very proud that I have completed my engineering, because now I know about technology, I know about marketing, I know about writing, I know about lot of skills. I have lot of skills. If I'm not getting job in one skill, I can get into some other like skill. Okay, so if you have got stuck in one career, what you can do is, सबसे पहले तो आपको उसको रियलाइज़ करना पड़ेगा that yes, you are not at all happy with that profession. Realize at first and then start to explore your skills. Like पहले तो आप 3-4 कोर्सेज करो. आपको ऑनलाइन काफ़ी सारे फ्री कोर्सेज मिले, आपको ज़रूरत नहीं, यू नीड नॉट टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी टू लाइक टू गेट सम कोर्सेज और समथिंग लाइक. इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू फाइंड सच कोर्सेज, जस्ट लेट मी नो, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. सबसे पहले तो आप कुछ ऐसे कोर्सेज करो जिससे कि आपको कुछ स्किल्स की नॉलेज हो जाए, अलग अलग स्किल्स की आपको नॉलेज हो जाए. उसके बाद जस्ट फील और जस्ट रियलाइज दैट कि आप मतलब किस स्किल की नॉलेज की डिटेलिंग आप बेटर तरह से समझ पा रहे हो. लाइक इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई करियर जर्नी, सो after my engineering I started exploring options. Like there was 2 options in front of me. First one is मतलब मैं क्या बोलते हैं, I could go for MTech, then I could go for MBA. But the first thing was, मुझे पता होना चाहिए what is the difference between MTech and MBA. So I started looking for the answers behind this. Okay, then I realized that if I am going with MTech, then I will be again struggling with the same coding thing, because being a software engineer, if I am going to pursue MTech, so I will again I have to opt the same like stream as software engineering, like IT or CS. So that was not at all good for my career. So then I realized that let's go for MBA, let's try, because मुझे पता था मैं already I was at all like completely stuck in that career, and I saw no growth in that career. So अगर मैं 15 to 20 thousand के लिए डेली जॉब करती तो आज भी शायद मैं 15-20 हज़ार ही कमा रही होती. But I realized and I started looking for MBA. Then I explored a bit about MBA and got to know what is MBA program, what are the streams of MBA, and finance, then marketing, then human resource, banking, business analytics. Then I started like reading about these different streams. Then I got to know that marketing is something that I was easily understand. Okay, मतलब मार्केटिंग वॉज समथिंग दैट वॉज इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर मी. मैं आसानी से समझ पा रही थी. फिनांस की बात करें, वो मनी टर्म्स, अमाउंट, डेबिट, क्रेडिट, सो आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल गेटिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दीज अदर कोर्सेज, फ्रॉम अदर स्ट्रीम्स. But marketing, I was very clear with that. So I decided to go for MBA with marketing. And then I appeared for like, ऐसे तो नहीं ना कि अपने को MBA करना तो किसी कॉलेज में जाके चलेगा. Firstly, we have to appear for some exams. So I appear for CAT and MET, then IIFT, then 4 to 5 exams. But I didn't score much to get into good IIMs. So but I मतलब इतना भी बुरा स्कोर नहीं था कि मुझे कोई कॉलेज ना मिले. I scored pretty well in NMET. So I started looking for colleges city wise. I went for Hyderabad, Delhi, and then Gurgaon, and then Bangalore. But when I started exploring colleges in Bangalore, I got to know about ISBR and this Symbiosis College. But I liked the reviews of ISBR because I got to know that faculty in this college very good. So and I wanted such environment. So I just decided to go with ISBR, and now I am pursuing MBA from ISBR Bangalore, and I'm in my 4th sem. Okay, so the thing is, you have got stuck in one career and you are like जो भी है यही है. And the other thing is, you have got stuck in one career and you want yourself to get out of it because you want to grow a lot in your career. You have some dreams to achieve. Okay, it's not like हमें 12-15 हज़ार मिल रहा है, हो गया, मतलब जितना पढ़ा था उसका हो गया. ऐसा नहीं होता है. If you are serious enough about your career, so it's good if you are exploring the lackings that you have in your career, and some good things that you have based on your career. So just go for it. And yes, if you have also stuck in your career, just let me know. I can help you out to explore some question, like some skills. I can give you some options which you can explore, and you can get to know about like what are some area of interest of yours. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you have liked this video. And in my next video, I think around after 3 to 4 videos, I will be starting talking about digital marketing, writing. If you are not a writer, how can you get into writing? What are the steps to be a good writer? How can you publish your book? And like, these are the some topics that I will be covering in my coming videos. Starting Quora marketing रहेगी. आप like whoever is facing some problem being a part of QPP or like user on Quora, just let me know. I'll help you out. Okay, and yeah, if you have some question, you can just ask me in comment box, and you can also ping me in my social media accounts, and you can connect me on like other social media accounts. And yes, it would be good if you can just start implementing these questions, like these tactics, or I should say strategies that I am discussing about. And yeah, if you are a part of QPP, whatever question I have discussed today, just start asking this question. Start like using your mind creatively and putting in to make these kind of questions which you can make, and start like just start hitting the target of 10 questions on daily basis on Quora. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you all have liked this video. If you have liked this video, I would like it. I would love if you like, comment, subscribe, share with your connections. Thank you so much. I will be coming with my new video very soon. Thank you so much.